Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can get pop-up notification on your Android lock screen. Alright guys, first of all, go to your settings application on your Android phone and you have to scroll down until you find the lock screen option or lock screen setting. This one, you just have to tap on it, and since we want to get pop-up notification on the Android lock screen, we just need to click on the circle button. Okay, and we can manage how the notification will appear on our Android lock screen. We can click on the notification option right here, and you can select either icons only or details. And I'm gonna go with details, so I'm tapping on details right here. Okay, and this is the preview of the notification. You can also adjust the transparency. For example, I'm going to reduce the transparency like this. Just drag the circle to the left. Alright guys, and that's how we can get pop-up notification on Android lock screen. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.